Please subscribe Vishwas Easy Learning channel and press bell icon. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome back again in Vishwas Easy Learning. We are learning about part of speech, and last session we have learned about the kinds of verbs. Now in this session we are going to learn the adverb. Adverb means in Marathi we say kriya visheshan. A word which modifies verb is called adverb. म्हणजे जो शब्द क्रियापदाबद्दल विशेष माहिती देतो त्याला क्रियाविशेषण असं म्हणतात. मीन्स विच वर्ड डिस्क्राइब्स द वर्ब or action word is called adverb. So definition is an adverb is a word that modifies a verb. म्हणजे क्रियापदाबद्दल विशेष माहिती देणारा जो शब्द असतो त्याला क्रियाविशेषण अव्यय असे म्हणतात. So there are three kinds of adverbs. Which are they? First one is simple adverbs म्हणजे सामान्य क्रियाविशेषण अव्यय. Second one is interrogative adverbs म्हणजेच प्रश्नार्थक क्रियाविशेषण अव्यय. And third one is conjunctive adverbs means which adverbs used for conjuncting the two sentence and which adverbs used as a conjunction in that sentence, these are called conjunctive adverbs. So first of all we are going to see simple adverbs. So how many types of simple adverbs? There are 6 types of simple adverbs म्हणजे सामान्य क्रिया विशेषणाचे एकूण 6 उपप्रकार पडतात. So first one is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time म्हणजे जे क्रियाविशेषण अव्यय वेळेबाबतची माहिती देतात त्याला क्रिया म्हणजे कालवाचक क्रियाविशेषण अव्यय असं म्हणतात. Which words indicate the adverbs of time? Yesterday, today, tomorrow, now, then, soon, before, since, early, late, ago. All these words regarding with times. So one of these word if mentioned in that sentence, then you can understand easily that it is a type of adverbs of time. Now second type of simple adverb is adverbs of places. Means if any adverb or if any adverb related with place indicate you here, there, everywhere, somewhere, over, under, outside or above. म्हणजेच या adverbs म्हणजे या क्रियाविशेषणामधील जे शब्द तुम्हाला स्थानाबद्दल ठिकाणाबद्दलची माहिती देतात त्या क्रियाविशेषण अव्ययाला adverbs of places असं म्हणतात. Among these here, there, everywhere, these words are indicating the place. So these places or these words are in the form of adverbs of places. So you must understand that if there is a here or there or everywhere or somewhere or over or under or outside or above, among all one of the words mentioned in the sentence, then write down the adverbs of places. Now third one is adverbs of number means संख्यावाचक क्रियाविशेषण. Which word or which adverb gives the more information about verb regarding with numbers? These are called adverbs of numbers. So which are the words related with adverbs of numbers? Once एकदा, twice दोनदा, firstly, lastly, often, always means नेहमी, never means कधी नाही, seldom means क्वचित, occasionally means प्रासंगिक. So all these words are referring to the numbers. So this type of or this sub kind of adverbs mentioned in the adverb of number. So next type of adverbs is after sub kinds of adverb of number. There is a type of adverbs of manner means रीतिवाचक क्रियाविशेषण. रीतिवाचक मीन्स आपल्या वर्तणुकीशी संबंधित किंवा रीतीशी संबंधित क्रियाविशेषण अव्यय दर्शवतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वेल, बॅडली, स्लोली, फास्टली hard, etc. Means if in that sentence one of the words is used, so you can understand easily that there will be adverbs of manner, means riti vachak kriya विशेषण. Now fifth types of sub kind of adverbs is adverbs of degree, means श्रेणी वाचक क्रिया विशेषण. Which words indicate the adverbs of degree? Very, extremely, rather, much, little, fully. म्हणजेच अधिक, सुमारे, rather, पुष्कळ, थोडे यासारखे जर शब्द किंवा यापैकी कुठलाही एक शब्द जर त्या वाक्यामध्ये येत असेल तर त्या वाक्यामध्ये ॲडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्रीचा उपयोग झाला आहे असं आपल्याला म्हणता येईल. सो डिड यू अंडरस्टँड द ॲडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री? नाउ लास्ट सब काइंड ऑफ ॲडवर्ब्स ऑफ रिझन इज, सो ॲडवर्ब्स ऑफ रिझन अँड ॲडवर्ब्स ऑफ रिझन मीन्स कारणदर्शक क्रियाविशेषण. कारणदर्शक, रिझन मीन्स कारण. So which word indicate the reason? Therefore, so, simply, ever, particularly, surely, really. Means therefore means म्हणून, so means म्हणून, simply म्हणजे सहजपणे, particularly means विशेषतः, surely म्हणजे निश्चितपणे, really means खरोखर. So one of these words is used in the sentence of adverbs, then you can understand easily that there will be adverbs of reason, means karandarshak kriya visheshan. Now second main type of adverb is interrogative adverbs. म्हणजे ॲडवर्बचे म्हणजे क्रियाविशेषणाचे आपण जे मुख्यतः तीन प्रकार पाहिले. सिंपल ॲडवर्ब्स, नंतर सेकंड जो पार्ट आहे किंवा दुसरा जो प्रकार आहे तो म्हणजे इंट्रोगेटिव्ह adverbs. So interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. आणि इंट्रोगेटिव्ह म्हटलं तर प्रश्नार्थक क्रियाविशेषण हवे, म्हणजे प्रश्नार्थक वाक्यामध्ये जेव्हा या क्रियाविशेषणाचा उपयोग होतो तेव्हा त्याला प्रश्नार्थक क्रियाविशेषण म्हणतात आणि त्याचा उपयोग बहुतांश प्रश्न विचारण्यासाठीच केला जातो. We have learned that some interrogative words are used for identify the pronouns and some interrogative words are used for identify the interrogative adjectives. But in these adverbs there are the separate WH words used here. Separate WH word means not who, not whose, not whom here, and these words are means each words are regarding with particularly status. So first word regarding with time means which WH word used for showing the time? So when will you come to me? तू माझ्याकडे केव्हा येशील? So when is a interrogative adverbs. So second number, so which WH word shows the number? How often have I told you that? How often, किती वेळा मी तुला तेच सांगितलेलं आहे. सो हाऊ वर्ड इज रिलेटेड विथ नंबर. सो थर्ड वन इज रिलेटेड विथ प्लेस. विच इंट्रोगेटिव्ह वर्ड सजेस्ट द प्लेस? सो वेअर डू यू लिव्ह? तू कुठे राहतो? दिस वेअर वर्ड इंडिकेट द प्लेस इन इंट्रोगेटिव्ह ॲडवर्ब्स. फोर्थ वन इज मॅनर मीन्स रीती. हाऊ सेंटेन्स इज हाऊ डीड ही ड्रॉ दिस पिक्चर? त्याने चित्र कसे काढले? हाऊ वर्ड इंडिकेट द रीती मीन्स कसे. सो इट मेन्शन इन मॅनर, इट इज इंट्रोगेटिव्ह ॲडवर्ब्स. अँड लास्ट वन इज रिझन मीन्स कारण दर्शक. कोणतं प्रश्नार्थक शब्द आहे किंवा क्रियाविशेषण हवे आहे ते मीन्स व्हाय डू यू ट्रबल मी? तुम्हाला का त्रास देतो? सो ऑल टाइप ऑफ words means WH words related with interrogative adverbs. Whenever you find out the sentence related with adverbs, find out the WH words related with time, number, place, manner and reason. So your answer will be surely correct. So third main kind of adverb is conjunctive adverbs. Conjunction, do you know conjunction? and related with conjunction means form a conjunction it adverb creates. Conjunctive adverbs means उभयान्वयी अव्ययकारक क्रिया विशेषण हवे. Conjunction is used for joining the two sentence or two words. So this adverb also used for conjuncting the two sentence. So which sentence these are? First example is I go to library when I have free time. मी मला जेव्हा वेळ मिळतो तेव्हा मी लायब्ररीला जातो. व्हेन इंडिकेट द कंजक्टिव्ह ॲडव्हर्ब्स बिकॉज व्हेन जॉईन टू सेंटेन्स. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज आय गो टू लायब्ररी अँड सेकंड सेंटेन्स इज आय हॅव फ्री टाइम. बट दीज टू सेंटेन्स आर जॉईन विथ व्हेन. So second sentence, he asked me when the train arrived. So first meaning of the first sentence means त्याने मला विचारले and second sentence meaning is the train arrived म्हणजे ट्रेन केव्हा आली. So these two sentence join with when. When is a conjunctive adverbs. So when means he asked me when the train arrived. त्याने मला विचारले की ट्रेन केव्हा आली किंवा रेल्वे गाडी केव्हा आली किंवा तिचे आगमन केव्हा झालं. सो दिस टू सेंटेन्स जॉईन विथ व्हेन. सो व्हेन मेन्शन इन द कंजक्टिव्ह ॲडवर्ब्स. सो इट इज सफिशियंट फॉर दिस सेशन because we have learned all type of adverbs and its subkind also. I hope that you understood very easily in this session. So don't miss to subscribe our channel. Thank you.